Rabbits hopping across New Zealand's lush green fields might seem like a natural part of the landscape, but these furry creatures are not actually native to the island nation. In fact, rabbits are an introduced species that have had a significant impact on New Zealand's environment and agriculture. Rabbits were first brought to New Zealand in the early 1800s by European settlers. These colonists introduced rabbits for food and sport hunting, unaware of the long-term consequences their actions would have on the local ecosystem. The first recorded release of rabbits was in 1838 on Mana Island, off the coast of the North Island. The mild climate and lack of natural predators in New Zealand created ideal conditions for rabbits to thrive and multiply rapidly. By the 1870s, rabbit populations had exploded, causing serious problems for farmers and the native environment. These prolific breeders began to compete with livestock for grazing land and caused extensive damage to crops. The impact of rabbits on New Zealand's ecosystem has been profound. They consume native plants, preventing regeneration and altering the landscape. This, in turn, affects native wildlife that depends on these plants for food and habitat. Rabbits also contribute to soil erosion by overgrazing, which can lead to landslides and the degradation of water quality in streams and rivers. To combat the rabbit problem, New Zealand has implemented various control measures over the years. These have included hunting, poisoning, and the introduction of biological controls such as the myxoma virus and rabbit hemorrhagic disease. Despite these efforts, rabbits remain a persistent issue in many parts of the country. Today, rabbits are still present throughout New Zealand and continue to be a concern for farmers and conservationists alike. While control methods have helped to manage populations in some areas, the complete eradication of rabbits from New Zealand remains an unlikely goal. The story of rabbits in New Zealand serves as a cautionary tale about the unintended consequences of introducing non-native species to new environments.